Got a Clean Bandit lesson for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Tick Tock. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is a D minor bar chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 5th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string. And you're going to strum this chord twice. Then you're going to lift your middle finger and strum it one more time. Then we're going to move to an A minor chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string. And you're just going to strum this once. Next, we're going to go to a C major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 3rd fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 5th fret, and you're going to strum this twice. Then you're going to lift your ring finger and place your ring finger on the 5th fret of the D string and your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the G string, and leave your pointer finger where it is, and strum that once. Then we're going to go to a G major chord. So you're going to bar the 3rd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and you're going to strum that once. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Tick Tock. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.